say if you ever get the chance to visit this stadium, the Estadio Presidente Perón, take it. It's majestic. My name's Derek Ray, and delighted to have alongside me, as usual on these occasions, Stuart Robson. And with the atmosphere really building up nicely, we should be in for a terrific contest. It's Argentina up against Portugal.
Well, thanks, Derek. The best coach I played under would always tell us before kick-off, earn the right to play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
The Argentina first team. Emilio Martinez is the goalkeeper. Lionel Messi starts with Angel Di Maria on the flanks. And leading the line, Lautaro Martinez. Opportunity in the wide area. Here's how it looks for Portugal. Rui Patricio begins in goal. João Cancelo starts with Rafael Guerreiro as fullbacks. Bruno Fernandes plays alongside João Moutinho in central midfield. And leading the attack today is Cristiano Ronaldo. Lionel Messi's daredevil style of attacking could well make the difference here, Stuart.
Well, for me, Derek, his greatest attribute is his ability to combine with teammates, particularly in tight areas, in and around the box, clever little 1-2s, little passes round the corner. He's the player that could be key to breaking down this defence.
He's in here. And not quite accurate enough. Off the post. And it's going to be a goal kick here. And intercepted it. Bernardo Silva. Here's Ronaldo. Portugal pushing forward with options available. And the cross is very much on. Bruno Fernandes. Onto Ronaldo. Very alert defending to cut off the supply. Can they forge ahead? Just can't get it past him. Still passing it around with authority. And in with a real chance. Well, not every keeper would have been that brave.
Well, he read it brilliantly, didn't he? Top stuff from the keeper.
Di Maria. It's with Dybala. Moving into the advanced position. What a genuine opportunity, but it was squandered. Goal kick. Palinha. Here's Ronaldo. Well, he's won the ball. Martinez. Di Maria. And Di Maria, nothing doing on the passing front. Ronaldo threading it through. Well, now in a dangerous position. Dybala. Now De Paul. Can they trouble the opposition this time? And the referee has awarded a corner following that touch.
Well, the fans are certainly having their say. Just listen to them. They thought that was a penalty.
Palinha. Bruno Fernandes has it. Cristiano Ronaldo. Guerreiro. It's a good-looking ball in behind. In it goes! But it will not stand. Offside, Stuart.
Well, it looked close, didn't it? He certainly thought so. He's making that clear to the linesman now.
Gonzalo Montiel. And the referee spotted the foul, but has played advantage. Angel Di Maria is ready for it. Oh, that is a majestic goal! Volleyed home with precision and style. Superbly done.
Well, here it is again. Just look at the quality of the cross. It's inch perfect, and the volley is struck so cleanly, which shows just how good his technique is. That's a top-class finish.
And so it is, the first half story has been written. Well, no complaints as regards Angel Di Maria and his performance so far. How would you... The teams are ready to have a go at each other again as the second half commences. Gonzalo Montiel. On to Messi. Paredes. Dybala. Can he finish? And danger still. Corner given. Who's going to get on the end of it? Attending to his defensive chores. And here's the pass over the top to Lionel Messi. Ronaldo. Perfect challenge. Martinez. De Paul. There to take it away. Guerrero. And this is Diogo Jota now. Palinha. And the referee is quite rightly letting it go. He's in behind. Great reflex action.
Well, that should have been a goal. Mind you, it's a brilliant save.
Well, they're going for the short one. Bruno Fernandes. Palinha.
Well, as expected, Portugal have had more of the ball so far, but without really creating enough chances. They've almost passed the ball for the sake of it. They need to start getting it into their front players much quicker to get back into this.
And quite simply, wide of the target. Substitution then. Let's see how it affects the match. Minutes to go. And players waiting in the centre. Promising sequence. Decent cross, but nobody in the vicinity. And a throw-in forthcoming. Diogo Jota. Clearing the lines, and so it will be a corner now. And you need your defender to take charge. And players waiting at the far post. Not quite the clearance they were hoping for. Well, they survived the attack. Oh, a nice looking pass. That is really alert defending, just when the situation looked dangerous. 10 minutes to go then. On the cusp of the final whistle, and they're making home advantage count, but only just. Stuart, your thoughts?
Well, it's been a tight game, but I think they've been the better team. They've just had that little bit more quality, certainly in attack, and of course they've been well organised at the back. They just need to see this through now.
Lionel Messi. It's with Dybala. That's an interesting pass. This could finish it. A really good stop at the critical stage.
Well, had that gone in, there was no way back. Not much time left now, though.
And a substitution in the offing. Fired over by Messi. And the problem not completely solved. Oh, a fine block. Paredes. And there it is, the final whistle. And the fans will be leaving the stadium with smiles on their faces.
Well, Derek, it was very competitive. Chances at both ends, but I feel they were the better team and they deserved their victory.
Well, a mighty role played by Angel Di Maria. Sensational performance on all levels. What did you make of his production in this game, Stuart?
Well, he was excellent today and he gave them that all-important lead. They just struggled to cope with him. His movement was so clever.